Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I make sorrel fruit cake. So if you're interested in seeing how I make sorrel fruit cake, please stay tuned to the video. So first we're going to start off by creaming 200 grams of butter. So this is 200 grams of butter and 2 cups of brown sugar. So guys, while the sugar and the butter is being creamed over on that side, I have gone ahead to prepare 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So to that I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. So now I'm going to go ahead to add 5 eggs to the sugar and the butter, removing the eye. So to this I will be adding half of tablespoon of French vanilla. So even though I'm using a 1 teaspoon here, I'm just gonna gauge it to make it a half a tablespoon, sorry. So a half of tablespoon of French vanilla, and 1 full tablespoon of almond extract, and 1 full tablespoon of vanilla extract. So we're gonna let this mix for the next little while. So to the mixture, you guys, I will be adding 3 cups of pureed sorrel, and also 1.5 cups of mixed fruits, soaked mixed fruits. So this has been soaking in rum and wine. And if you guys would like to see a video of how I do my mixed fruits, leave me a comment down below and I'll do a video on how to do the mixed fruits, how I do my mixed fruits. So we're gonna close this down. So to the wet ingredient, I will be adding 1 tablespoon of red food coloring. This is just to give it a little bit of color, that nice red color. So it's a little bit less than 1 tablespoon because I only have this much left. But 1 tablespoon of red food coloring. So now I will be adding in the dry ingredients into the batter. So I'm just incorporating everything that I sifted earlier. And I'm going to be adding a little at a time to the cake batter. So I've gone on to grease and flour my baking tin off camera. So I'm just gonna be pouring the mix. I'm just gonna be pouring the mixture into the tin. So I'm just scraping off everything here. So now I'm gonna be baking it, you guys, on 350 degrees for 1.5 hours. So once it's ready, I'm gonna come back on camera just to show you guys what it looks like. So guys, my sorrel fruit cake is now finished. So it was in the oven for about 2 hours approximately. So this is it. This is what it's looking like. As you can see, it's very moist. It tastes very delicious. And take a look at it. I hope the camera can pick it up. But yeah, it's very moist. It's a very nice, rich cake. So I hope you can follow this recipe and enjoy it with your family. But yeah, so far this is what my sorrel fruit cake is looking like. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.